Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 core messages that you should always have in your content. And these messages are not trends or gimmicks. They're actually rooted in human psychology. And if you're not using these messages, there's a great chance that you're not going to be able to attract an audience that's going to be interested in your content and your services. Therefore, no clients. Because right now, attention is shorter than ever. Everyone is posting and repeating the same ideas and doing all sorts of things just to grab people's attention. So if your intention is to cut through the noise so you can grab people's attention who will buy your services or products, then we have to stop thinking about creating content for likes and views and create content that actually speaks directly to human psychology and desire. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to share with you an AI GPT that I created for you so you can create this type of content very fast so you can stay consistent at creating content that builds brand awareness and brings you clients. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first message is flipping a belief. People always lean in and listen when you challenge something that they always thought it was true. I'll give you an example. Since I was a kid, I always thought that breakfast was the most important meal of the day. My mom, my dad, my grandmother told me that that was the case. But it was only 5 years ago that someone told me that without eating breakfast, I was going to be more focused, I was going to lose weight, and I was going to have more energy. And at the time, I didn't believe it, but then I tried it out for myself. And since then, I have been doing intermittent fasting up until this day. So that's why we want to create content that flips humans' beliefs. Because the majority of people are not happy and they are stuck in their own way. And the only way for them to move forward and get out of the comfort zone is by introducing new beliefs that will help them move forward. Just had to turn the light there because it's getting dark. But now let's just go with message number 2. This message is about showing proof, because by nature, people are skeptical, especially if they don't know who you are. And we just don't want claims or theory that something works. We want to know that has worked for other people. Otherwise, you're leaving a lot of friction between the person willing to buy something and your product. You have to remember, proof builds trust and also motivates people to do something new. And here's a perfect example. For years, experts thought that it was impossible for humans to run a mile under 4 minutes. And doctors even thought that it was too dangerous for the body to do so. Then in 1954, Roger Bannister did it. And what happened? The next year, not 1 or 2 people broke that barrier as well, but dozens of them did, just because someone already proved that it was possible. That's the power of showing proof. Now we have the third message, the last one, which is provide actionable steps to your audience. People don't just want to be entertained or inspired. They want to know what to do step by step to accomplish a specific goal. That's why I love IKEA's instructions. But a better example is James Clear's book, Atomic Habits, which, by the way, if you have read the book or have read the emails, you will notice that he uses a lot belief flipping, and he also shows proof for every idea that he shares. So anyway, in his book, instead of just saying build good habits, he gave small and clear steps, like if you want to start running, lay out your running shoes and clothes, or leave your gym bag by the door. By giving simple and actionable steps like that, people can act on it immediately, and that helps you build trust with your audience. Okay, so now that you know what the 3 core messages are, I'm going to show you how to use AI to help you create this content very, very fast. So let me just share with you my screen. And what you can see here is one of my buyer personas or avatar. His name is Daniel Ramirez. I have everything here about him. I have his goals, his motivation, behaviors, values, interests, etc. All right, so I have a bunch of information about him. I have the challenges that he experiences, right? So I have 10 of them, and I also have the unique specific question that this avatar asks himself when he is experiencing those challenges. Challenge 1, 2, 3, etc. All right. But the most important thing that we need to create the content with the 3 core messages is the embedded belief that this avatar or your audience have. All right, so what I did here is to get 100 embedded limiting beliefs. We want limiting beliefs. All right, so for me to get those embedded beliefs, I ask, now based on everything that we have discussed here about my avatar, Daniel, give me 100 embedded limiting beliefs that he might have and pair each one with a hard truth. So you want the limiting belief, for example, breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and you want a hard truth that you know exists, that the hard truth that you want to show your audience. And in that example, the hard truth is that if you skip breakfast, you can actually have more energy and feel better. All right, so once we hit enter, then we get all these limiting beliefs and hard truths. All right, so I'm gonna copy this limiting belief here. Side hustles need 20 plus hours a week to succeed. And we have also a hard truth. Systems and AI can replace 70% of that time. So I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna copy it, the GPT that I built, which is called Truth Hook, and I'm gonna click Start. We have to provide one belief your audience holds. So I'm just gonna paste that here, and I'm also gonna have my hard truth there because I really like the one that was provided in the previous chat. Now, if you don't like that hard truth, you can always change it, okay? Something that goes more in line to what you want to share with your audience. So I'm gonna hit enter now. And there you go. All right, so here's what we got. As you can see here, side hustles need 20 plus hours a week to succeed, but systems and AI can replace 70% of that time. And the first thing that this GPT is going to share is a hook script. And this one says, you've been told your side hustle needs nights and weekends to work, but what if most of that effort could be automated? You see that right there, that introduction makes you want to listen more. And I keep going. You don't need 20 hours a week. You need a system that works while you sleep. Let me show you how people are scaling without burning out. And then the second thing that it's going to share is proof, a real case study. Here you can read, many successful solopreneurs now use tools like Zapier, ChatGPT, and Notion automations to run productized offers. Take Justin Welsh, for example. He built a $5 million plus one-person business working under 10 hours a week. His secret? Automations that handle outreach, delivery, and follow-up, not more hustle. Lesson, it's not time input that scales side income. It's leverage. Very cool. And the last one, it also provides you with practical recommendations. Now, those practical recommendations, you can use them or you can just use the ones that you know your audience needs. But let me just read this one. Practical recommendations. Map your weekly side hustle tasks in a simple document. Second, highlight any repeatable task and build one automation per week. And third, stack those systems. Each one earns you time back. It's not about working harder. It's about building something that works without you. Now you can either create a short video or a long video with this information only. And if you put content like this consistently, all you're gonna do is to build a lot of trust in your industry. So if you like what you see here and you wanna use this GPT, I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can start using it right away. And if you wanna know more about this on how to use AI to build your offer, to build more awareness, build content, then make sure you check our next level future community. I'm just gonna leave a link down below this video so you can check it out. And if not, I'll see you here next week.